In 2008, the addendum number 006 was signed to the concession contract, which extended the concession of the port of Santa Marta until 2033. At the same time, an investment was agreed with the central government for the amount of $127 million for the improvement of the infrastructure inside the terminal. The master plan, Port of Santa Marta, was developed, which main objective was the specialization of all terminal areas according to the different types of cargo being moved. In strict compliance with this plan, the Port of Santa Marta is today defined as a multi-purpose logistics terminal divided into 3 large sub-terminals: containers sub-terminal, bulk and general cargo sub-terminal, coal sub-terminal. The Port of Santa Marta, prior to 2011, had a containers handling area composed of the technological resource of the labor crane and topics, with a yield of 12 containers an hour and an average storage capacity of 100,000 TEUs. Although, at the time, this market performance was competitive, the dynamics of the port and the new challenges imposed by foreign trade, even more because of the agricultural and industrial vocation of the Department of Magdalena. Then, in 2009, SMITCO, the Santa Marta International Terminal Company, was established. $55 million were invested in the former area, giving way to the specialized containers sub-terminal. The main purpose of this investment was the development of civil works and technological renewal, with the acquisition of 2 post-Panamax gantry cranes that arrived at the port in March 2011. In addition were acquired 4 RTG cranes for the yards and auxiliary equipment like the topics, among others. As of today, SMITCO is widely recognized within the international port panorama for its efficiency and, besides being the most important terminal of the country, in handling containerized refrigerated cargo, moving more than 26,000 fruit containers per year, the main export type being bananas. The most important achievements of the containers sub-terminal are moving from an annual capacity of 100,000 to 300,000 TEUs. Bulk sub-terminal. Prior to 2011, the Port of Santa Marta had a reception and accumulation area for a solid bulk operating with automated spoons and storage silos, showing an operation with yields of 4,000 tons per day and an annual storage capacity of 1.5 million tons. The investment plan of the company, established as of 2011, was the execution of the amount of $12 million. At the same time, the area was specialized, giving way to what today is known as the bulk and general cargo sub-terminal. To develop the new operation, a Vegan, a Belgian-made suction equipment, was acquired and storage silos were built, besides the existing external automated warehouses. Bulk achievements. The most important achievement in today's bulk sub-terminal was moving from a storage capacity of 1.5 to 3 million tons per year and an unloading rate that moved from 4,000 to 14,000 tons per day. Coal sub-terminal. On the other hand, in matters of coal, the Port of Santa Marta used between 1993 and 2003 the system to load coal in barges. At the same time, they exported almost 800 tons per year. As of 2003, the coal operator of Santa Marta, Carbosan, has invested $27 million and implemented the system for direct coal loading, which, through encased belts, the mineral is deposited inside the vessels without the use of barges. Today, the Port of Santa Marta has an annual operation capacity of 7 million tons and loads 32,000 tons a day. In their operations to receive, collect and load coal, the Port of Santa Marta has received a number of international recognitions for the high environmental and technical standards used in this operation, being a model of sustainable development within the port panorama. Environmental recognitions. Among these are environmental certification ISO 14001 as of 2003 and ISO 9001 certification as of 2003. AAPA Award for Environmental Improvement in 2007. A National Award of Exporters year 2009. And ESCO Award for Entrepreneurial Social Responsibility 2010. And EcoPort certification obtained in 2013, the latter having made Santa Marta Terminal the first port outside Europe at a global level to merit this accreditation, which until now exclusively recognizes European terminals with sustainable environmental operations. Investments in Barranquilla. Sociedad Portuaria de Santa Marta made investments in the city of Barranquilla altogether with its partners amounting to $70 million. Barranquilla International Terminal Company, BITCO, a public service terminal comprised of 8 hectares located on the Magdalena River, kilometer 18 upstream from Bocas de Cienza. Today it has the 2 following specialized subterminals. Subterminals specialized in handling containers and operated by Barranquilla Container Terminal BCT. Barranquilla Container Terminal BCT, born from the alliance between BITCO and SSA Marine, the largest container and train terminal operator in the world. With an investment of $62 million, this subterminal includes a total area of 3.5 hectares, exclusively dedicated to container operations. Next to this, and in support of the process of a maritime transfer of cargo, there is a 35-meter wide dock. On June 25, 2013, 3 Cox, German-made gantry cranes, arrived to the terminal from the port of Miami to start operation of BCT. Hamburg Sud Shipping Company, among the 20 largest companies worldwide, has BCT at its base in the city of Barranquilla. This project stands today as the first specialized containers dock on the Magdalena River. Multi-purpose sub-terminal with an extension of 4.5 hectares and a dock for berthing vessels. Projects will start operating next March and will be destined to the handling of general cargo, solid bulk and coal, which represents a greater value for company shareholders. Today, the 2 docks for berthing vessels are completely finished. Social work. The Port of Santa Marta will continue promoting the social work developed by the company through its Santa Marta Port Foundation, providing up to 5% of annual profits to social projects seeking to improve the quality of life and education of the children and youth of Santa Marta.